What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and this is something a little different than what I'd normally do. So as of right now, my main device is the 17 Pro Max, and the more I've thought about things and looked at things, and I've been like, do you know what, I fancy a change. I want to make it a big change. So I am going to swap over right now to the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL in the Moonstone colour and see how I get on. So this is something very different for me than what I'd normally do. Obviously, you know, I just do case reviews, but I want to try and move a little bit into the other side of things, like tech reviews. I want to move in, like, just doing different style videos now. I want to try and, I still bring the case reviews, still do the car videos, etc. But I want to add something else now to the dynamic of it. Now that we've got the iPhone 16 Pro Max, soon to be the 17, we've got the Pixel 10 Pro XL, and we've also still got the Fold 7. So I want to try and move into like doing little reviews and stuff like that now. So I'm gonna fully switch over to the Pixel. I've took off my Apple Watch. You still see where the tan line is right there. So I'm gonna go to a normal watch. I am still using an iPhone though. I do use an iPhone for work. I have got an iPhone 16. I'm not going to switch over from that because it controls everything for work. So I will still be using an iPhone 16. So if you see me on the road and you see Apple Maps running in the van, then you know that it's from the work phone, not my main phone. But I will be switching over now to the Pixel 10 Pro XL. I am really looking forward to this, and I'm looking forward to the challenge that's ahead. Especially, I know how good the camera is. I've took a portrait selfie a couple of days ago, posted it to X, and I know how good Pixel devices are. I know how good the software is. Do I want to see more updates more frequently? Absolutely. I want to see that camera get updated. I do need a screen protector on it. However, I am going to be rocking this right here. So if you haven't seen this video, this is the Magbak Elite case. It's a one-stop shop, does all. So I'm going to be putting this on the device. This is going to be my permanent case of choice, but you will still see case reviews from other brands, but this will be the case of choice, as I think it's the best all-rounder. It's rugged, it's got the finger loop, it's got the finger pillow, it's got the microfiber inner lining, and you can switch things up and change the colour. So obviously I do have grey and red here if I want to change it up, but I do wish they would have sent me the blue. So Magbak, if you're watching, blue for future please. But I really am tied into the Apple ecosystem a lot, with obviously the iPad, the MacBook, Apple TV, you know, all the usual stuff. However, when I used to do my other job besides this new one I've not long took on last year, I was using my Apple devices, so everything lined up, everything worked out, everything synced up together. Now I'm doing this job, I don't need to do that. I can swap phones as and when I see fit. I don't really use FaceTime all that much. I tend to chat to everyone through WhatsApp anyway. The group's on iMessage, but I'm sure I can create the green bubble, blue bubble divide with the Pixel. I'm sure there's a few apps out there which I've been looking into that I'm going to move on to, but I do still have the Fold 7 in the blue, and this was going to be the phone that I swapped over to. But the more that I'm looking at the Pixel, and I prefer candy style slab phones. But I've set everything up, everything is pretty much ready to go. There's a few little bits that I need to add. If you want to see a what's on my Pixel device, then I will make another video in the next couple of weeks or so, and I'll show you what's on the Pixel. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comment section down below. I am ready for the move now. So SIM card is in there. If I turn off Wi-Fi, so if I turn off the Wi-Fi, as you can see, connected 5G. My SIM card is in here. SIM card tray is at the top. I don't need to bother with eSIMs and stuff like that, because we're in the UK. We still get the SIM tray itself. So if we move in now and put on the Magbak Elite case, I say if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it linked down below in one of the first comments, and also in the description. And if you want to pick up a similar case for yourself, for your Pixel or any device that you've got, check the link in the description down below, and you can pick up a case similar to this one for your device. and it'll be an affiliate link. It won't cost you guys any extra, and you will get a discount as well. So be sure to check that code out. This can go away, full can go in the bag, and this will be my one device I carry with me, and one device that I use now. Everything's set up, everything's ready to go. So let's go and see how we get on. So this is the official I am switching video. I don't normally do these. I wanted to do it to show you guys that an iPhone user is actually going to switch and use the Pixel 10 Pro XL and see how he gets on with this case as well. So make sure you stay tuned. I will be doing an update video in the next couple of weeks to see how I've got on using the Pixel as my daily, being a full-time iPhone user. I know how good this device is. I know what the battery life's capable of. I know what the cameras are capable of. So it's something I'm looking forward to. So if you enjoyed this, guys, please drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub, turn the notifications on. Let me know if there's anything you want to see with the Pixel 10 Pro XL, or are you waiting for me to get the 17 Pro Max in, or would you like to see more on the Fold 7? Let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. I'll see you in the next video, but I'll also see you in a couple of weeks' time where we decide what we like and what we don't like about the Pixel. So thanks so much for watching, guys. See you all soon.